inspiring. I believe I'm a good person. You know, I think that there's good in everyone. But here we are, first day of senior year. And I look around at these kids that I've known all my life and ask myself, what happens?
Yes, I am. I want to know what gives you the right to pick on my friend. Your high school has been waiting to happen. A future gas station attendant.
You have it right there. Why do I act like such a creep? But he did me. Somebody hurt me, somebody fix me, somebody save me. So yes, I got, give me some hope here, something to live for.
Yeah, Heather, maybe I should.
Heather, perhaps you didn't hear the bell over all the phone. You're late for class.
Heather wasn't feeling well. We're helping her.
No, not an alcohol class. Oh, where's the tension?
Actually, Miss Lang, all four of us are our own Whole Pass yearbook committee.
I see you're all listed. Now hurry and get where you're going.
This is an excellent forgery. Thank you.
Veronica Sawyer, I crave a boon.
What room?
Let me see at a table, at lunch, just once. No talking necessary. If people think you guys tolerate me, then leave me alone. And before you answer, I also do report cards, permission slips, and absence notes.
How about prescription?
Shut up, Heather.
Sorry, Heather.
For we see little nobody. Never the bone structure.
And the symmetrical face. If I took a meat cleaver down the center of your skull and a friendship corpse, that's very important. Of course you could stand to lose a few pounds.
No, you know, this could be beautiful. Mascara, maybe some lip blossom on our way. Got this girl some blush and Heather, I need your brush. Let's make her beautiful. Let's make her beautiful. Let's make her beautiful. Okay?
Okay.
I'm a wicked cat, one trouble.
You're gonna die at 3 p.m. Don't you dare touch me. Wait for words.
What did I ever do to them?
Who's up with Heather?
Whoa! And someone
Veronica?
Veronica, Veronica, Veronica.
When you're alone, you hope, you dream, you pray, and you get away. Ask me how it feels, looking like hell on me. My God is beautiful, beautiful. I might be beautiful, beautiful. It's a beautiful freaking day. Dear Diary, it's been 3 weeks since I became friends with the Heathers. Friends isn't the right word exactly. It's more like the Heathers are people I work with, and our job is being popular and shit.
Hey, Veronica.
Hey,
You really look beautiful these days.
thanks, but it's still the same me underneath.
I know. You're with the Heathers now. It's exciting.
It's whatever, but we'll hang soon, I promise.
Veronica, Heather says to haul us to the cafe pronto.
How very...
Veronica, I need a forgery Ram Sweeney's handwriting. You'll need something to write on. Heather, bend over. Hi, honey. I've been watching you and thinking about us in the old days. I hope you can come to my homecoming party this weekend. XO, Ram. Oh, and what a kiss after the signature.
What's this for anyway?
Do you remember how Ram used to hang with Martha Duntruck?
In kindergarten, yeah, we all did.
We all didn't kiss on the kickball field.
Oh my god, that's right, I totally forgot. Ram kissed Martha Duntruck. It was disgusting.
Perfect. Ram, come here.
What do you think Heather wants?
Well, actually, no idea. Be a sweetie and give give this note to Martha dump truck for me?
What? No.
Since when do you talk to that Larda?
Don't read it. She's been having some extra heavy flow and wanted some advice from a guy now.
Ugh.
Martha's had a thing for Repérant for like 12 years now. This will kill her. Come on, Heather, you're bigger than this.
Are we gonna have a problem? You got a bone to pick. You've come so far right now, or you pulling on my dick! I'd normally slap her face, and everyone here could watch. But I'm feeling nice. Here's some advice. Listen up, biatch.
I